Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix messages not showing on Snapchat in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is just simply check your network connection is good enough. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply go in setting. So guys, in setting what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle on for time automatic zone, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store here and search for Snapchat. So guys, check here for any update. So guys, you can see here it's option of open. If the option of update appear here, then what you have to do is just simply up to date this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen and uninstall your Snapchat from here and reinstall it. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply restart your phone and your problem hopefully will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.